Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today, I am here with Daniel, and today we are going to talk about at the restaurant.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Daniel, do you like restaurants?
Yes, I do. I like restaurants very much.
What kind of food do you like?
I like pizza, burgers, and pasta.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Yes, what about you?
I like rice, chicken, and salad.
That sounds healthy.
Thank you.
Do you go to restaurants often?
Maybe 1 or 2 times a week.
That is nice.
What about you?
I usually go on weekends,
Do you go with friends or family?
mostly with friends.
That sounds fun.
Yes, we talk and laugh a lot.
I like restaurants because they are relaxing.
I agree.
What is your favorite restaurant?
There's a small Italian restaurant near my house.
Oh, really?
Yes, the food is very good there.
What do you usually order?
I usually order pasta and orange juice.
Nice choice.
Thank you.
Do you like trying new food?
Yes, sometimes.
Me too.
Last week I tried spicy noodles.
Wow. Were they good?
Yes, but very spicy.
I cannot eat very spicy food.
That is okay.
Halfway home.
Restaurants are great places to spend time with people.
Yes, you can eat and talk together.
Exactly.
Do you prefer big restaurants or small restaurants?
I prefer small restaurants
Why?
because they are quiet and comfortable.
I understand.
What about you?
I also like small restaurants.
That is interesting. Do you like fast food restaurants?
Sometimes, yes. What fast food do you like?
I like fries and chicken sandwiches.
That sounds tasty.
Yes, very tasty.
Do you drink soda?
Sometimes, but not every day.
Same for me.
Water is healthier.
That is true.
Have you ever worked in a restaurant?
No, never.
Me too.
I think it is difficult work,
Yes, workers are very busy.
especially during dinner time.
Exactly.
Part 2. Main discussion.
Let's talk about ordering food.
Great idea.
What do you say first in a restaurant?
I usually say, "Can I see the menu, please?"
That is a useful sentence.
Yes, very useful.
Then the waiter brings the menu.
Right.
After that, I look at the food.
Sometimes menus are very big.
Yes, and it's hard to choose.
I agree.
Do you take a long time to choose food?
Yes, sometimes.
Me too. There are too many good choices.
Exactly. What do you say when you are ready?
I say, I would like a burger, please.
Very polite.
Thank you.
Another good sentence is, "Can I have a pizza?"
Yes, that is common too.
Do you order drinks first?
Usually, yes.
What drink do you order?
Water or lemonade.
I like apple juice.
That sounds refreshing.
Thank you.
Have you ever eaten expensive food?
Yes, once.
What did you eat?
Steak and grilled vegetables.
Wow, was it good?
Yes, very good.
Nice.
But it was expensive.
I understand.
Cheap restaurants can also be good.
That is true.
Good food is important.
And friendly service too.
Yes.
Have you ever had bad service?
One time, the waiter was very slow.
Oh no,
We waited a long time.
that is not fun.
No, it is not.
But sometimes restaurants are very busy.
That is true.
We should be patient.
I agree. What dessert do you like?
I love chocolate cake,
Me too. Ice cream is also nice.
especially in summer.
Yes.
Do you share food with friends?
Sometimes.
That is fun.
Yes, we can try different food.
Exactly.
Have you ever dropped food in a restaurant?
Yes, one time I dropped my drink.
Really?
Yes, I was embarrassed.
That happens sometimes.
The waiter helped me clean it.
That was kind.
Yes.
Part 3, Learning section.
Let's learn useful restaurant vocabulary.
Great idea.
The first word is menu.
A menu shows food and drinks.
Example sentence, can I see the menu, please?
Very good.
Another word is waiter.
A waiter brings food to customers.
Example, the waiter is very friendly.
Excellent.
For a woman, we can say waitress.
Yes.
Another useful word is bill.
The bill shows how much money you pay.
Example, can I have the bill, please?
Very useful.
Let's practice pronunciation.
Okay.
The word restaurant can be difficult.
Yes, many beginners say it slowly.
We can say restaurant,
Let's repeat together.
restaurant.
Restaurant.
Great job, everyone.
Now let's learn grammar.
We use would like to sound polite.
Example, I would like some tea.
Another example, I would like pasta.
Very good.
We can also use can I have.
Example, can I have water?
Excellent.
Now let's talk about regular and irregular verbs.
Good idea.
The verb order is regular.
Present, order.
Past, ordered.
Example, yesterday I ordered pizza.
Very easy.
Now an irregular verb.
The verb eat.
Present, eat.
Past, ate.
Example, yesterday I ate pasta.
Great example.
Another irregular verb is drink.
Present, drink.
Past, drank.
Example, last night I drank juice.
Wonderful.
Part 4, Listener Engagement.
What about you, everyone?
What is your favorite restaurant food?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your answers.
And if you're enjoying this podcast, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you very much for your support.
Let's continue our conversation.
Daniel, do you like breakfast restaurants?
Yes, I do.
What do you eat for breakfast there?
Eggs, toast, and coffee.
Nice breakfast.
Thank you.
I like pancakes,
Pancakes are delicious.
especially with honey.
Oh, yes.
Do you like eating outside?
Yes, when the weather is nice.
Me too.
Fresh air feels good.
That is true.
Have you ever gone to a restaurant alone?
Yes, one time.
Was it relaxing?
Yes, I read a book while eating.
That sounds peaceful.
It was.
Some people feel nervous eating alone.
Yes, but it can also be nice.
I agree.
Do you use your phone in restaurants?
Sometimes.
Me too.
But talking with people is better.
Definitely. Do you like music in restaurants?
Yes, but not very loud music.
Same here. Quiet music is relaxing.
Exactly.
Have you ever forgotten your wallet at a restaurant?
No, thankfully.
Me neither.
That would be stressful.
Very stressful. Part 3, More English Learning.
Let's learn more useful sentences.
Great.
Another one is, could I get some water, please?
Very polite sentence.
Another one is, what do you recommend?
We use that when we want advice.
Exactly. Example, what do you recommend today?
Very natural English.
Another phrase is, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Important sentence for health.
Yes, restaurants need to know allergies.
Good point.
Let's practice pronunciation again.
Okay.
The word vegetable.
Some learners say every syllable slowly.
Native speakers often say vegetable.
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 Excellent.
Now, part 4, listener engagement.
Do you prefer sweet food or salty food?
Tell us in the comments.
And tell us your favorite drink too.
We enjoy reading your messages.
Thank you for listening to us today.
We are very happy you're here.
Part 5, Ending.
Today was a very fun conversation.
Yes, we talked a lot about restaurants and food.
We also learned useful English words and sentences.
I hope everyone learned something new today.
Keep practicing English every day.
Little practice is better than no practice.
Exactly.
Thank you everyone for listening.
We hope to see you again soon.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.